In 2018, the Aviation Technical Challenge has got two teams, one from 816 Squadron and the other from the Naval Aviation Systems Project Office, both located at Nowra.
The Aviation Challenge today is basically a board-based scenario where they are required to manufacture hydraulic, mechanical systems, electrical systems to work conjointly with each other to come out to a final result of where a board does what it's supposed to do.
Essentially today, we're working to build a hydraulic system and a flight control system, which in turn all works together to power an aircraft, a fake aircraft.
It's a really good opportunity for us to showcase skills that some of us haven't used in a little while and work as a team to knuckle it out and get it done.
The most exciting thing about today is kind of interacting with skills that you don't normally use on a day-to-day basis. So having the competition element really adds a bit of fun to it, as well as learning and development for us.
It's not first to finish wins with this challenge. They have 6 hours to complete the challenge, but during the challenge we'll assess and mark the particular components that they manufacture in accordance with the aviation standards that we teach them.
It's not just about us doing our job, it's about everyone doing the job together.
Us guys at NASPO, we've come from an office environment, so we haven't really worked on the tools together. I think that'll help us be more like a team back in the office.
At the end of the day, to get to the final two is not an easy feat. We have up to 12 teams that start. To win here is just a bonus on top of making that achievement.
It's fun, it's challenging, it's refreshing to be out and practicing.
This is my first year doing it, and I've enjoyed every bit so far. It's hard, it's fun, it's good.